Hi everyone, today's makeup tutorial is very simple but with a touch of colour. Maybe not for everyone, but I really like it. So enjoy. Okie dokes, we're starting with a wonky top. Okay, starting with foundation. That's a lot. Then concealer. Then I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder to set the face. Then I'm using MAC Golden Bronzer. I swear to you, this thing does nothing. Like, what's wrong with it? I mean, you can kind of see it, but... For blush, I'm using the Smashbox blush in the shade Heartbreak. On my skin tone, this blush is kind of dark, so I use it as a bronzer. For highlight, I'm using Becca Champagne Pop. Okay, cool. I'm gonna set the face. Alrighty. For eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. For the eyes, I'm starting with a light brown. This is Wedge by MAC. Just to define the crease a little bit. For my pop of colour, I'm using yellow. If yellow is not for you, just use whatever you like. Now with a teeny tiny brush, I'm packing that in the inner corner, and I'm using quite a lot. And then I'm using MAC Nylon just in the very inner corner. And then I'm mixing Nylon with Champagne Pop to use as my brow bone highlight. Okay, gonna do mascara. Cool. Now for my lips, I'm using MAC Subculture lip liner. tiny little bit of the Teddy lipstick. Alright, so this is the finished look.